Welcome to the 10-Minute Mind. Upgrade your life, one big idea at a time. Most people think their life changes because of one big decision, a breakthrough, a miracle moment, a stroke of luck. But the truth? Your life is nothing more than the sum of tiny choices you repeat every single day. Not dramatic, not glamorous, but unstoppable. This is the power of the compound effect, and if you ignore it, you sacrifice your future. But if you master it, you become unstoppable. Today, I'll show you how it works, and how to use it starting today, not someday. The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy delivers one core message. Small, smart choices plus consistency plus time equals massive transformation. No hacks, no overnight success, no magic pill. It's the discipline of doing the small things so well and so consistently that eventually they snowball into something extraordinary. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your habits. And every tiny habit pushes your life in one direction, upward or downward. Insight 1. Small choices never stay small. A cupcake today is not just one cupcake. Skipping a workout today is not just one day. Ignoring one opportunity is not just a tiny decision. Tiny choices don't stay tiny, they compound. The problem is that the results don't show up immediately. You don't gain 10 kilograms after one donut. You don't get rich from saving $10. That's why most people quit. They underestimate the power of accumulation. Small choices are invisible until they are unavoidable. Insight 2. Consistency beats intensity. Anyone can be motivated for a day. Only a few can be consistent for a year. Success is not about doing everything perfectly. It's about doing the right things repeatedly. Don't do 100 push-ups once. Do 10 push-ups every day. Don't read 10 books in one weekend. Read 10 pages a day. Intensity creates excitement. Consistency creates results. Insight 3. Habits shape your identity. Every small action you take is a vote for the person you want to become. You don't try to be disciplined. You become disciplined through repeated actions. You don't try to be healthy. You become healthy through repeated choices. Your identity is not something you find, it's something you build, brick by brick, choice by choice, day by day. Insight 4. Momentum is real. Once you start doing the right things consistently, something magical happens. You build momentum. And momentum works like gravity. Once it gets going, it's harder to stop than to continue. But the same is true for negative momentum. Skip one day, skip another, skip a week. Suddenly, stopping becomes your new habit. Momentum doesn't care who you are. It amplifies whatever you feed it. Insight 5. Tracking your progress makes success predictable. You can't improve what you don't measure. If you track your habits, your spending, your workouts, your time, your progress, you remove luck from the equation. Success becomes math. Predictable, clear, inevitable. Here are 5 actions you can start today. Not next week, not next month, today. Action 1. Identify one keystone habit. Pick one habit that will create the biggest change in your life. Examples: 30 minutes of reading, 20 minutes of exercise, journaling your goals, turning off your phone 1 hour before bed. Don't pick 5, pick 1 and become unshakable at it. Action 2. Make the habit so easy you can't fail. Don't start with perfection, start with momentum. Read 5 minutes. Meditate for 2 minutes. Do 10 push-ups. Plan your day for 3 minutes. Make it so easy your brain has no reason to say no. Action 3. Track your progress daily. Create a simple tracker. Did I read today? Did I exercise? Did I avoid distractions? No need for complex systems. A pen and paper beats a perfect plan you never execute. Tracking equals awareness. Awareness equals control. Action 4. Remove one negative habit. Don't try to fix everything. Kill the single habit that is destroying your momentum. It could be scrolling for 45 minutes in bed, drinking sugar every day, procrastinating on important work, staying up too late, or complaining instead of acting. Removing one negative habit can create more improvement than adding 5 positive ones. Action 5. Commit for 90 days. 90 days is long enough for your habits to rewire your identity. Make this commitment. I will keep my habits for 90 days even when I'm tired, bored, unmotivated, or busy. Motivation is optional. Consistency is mandatory. You now understand that tracking is non-negotiable, and eliminating bad triggers is essential. But the administrative truth is this: manually tracking every lead, every follow-up email, and every sales funnel is the new shallow work. You cannot afford to spend hours managing logistics when you should be spending hours on deep work. To truly live the compound effect, you must automate the things you track. The automation tools that manage your funnels, automate your email sequences, and remove the administrative hassle are the investment in your consistency. I have compiled the exact systems I use to automate my tracking and lead generation into my free toolkit. This toolkit frees up your deep work time. The link to access this system is waiting for you in the pinned comment. Your future will not be decided by one big moment. It will be decided by the thousands of tiny moments you thought didn't matter. Every choice is a seed. Every habit is a vote. Every day is a chance to compound. Success is not an explosion. It's a slow burn, quiet, invisible, relentless. And when the results finally appear, everyone else will call you lucky. But you'll know the truth. You earned every bit of it. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this message today. And remember, small choices shape big futures. Make yours count.